He argues that, someone might not even realize that they need a platform like Skool,
Okay.
but they can definitely relate to those struggles that he's highlighting.
Yeah.
And once that connection is made, they're far more likely to be receptive to what he has to offer.
Makes sense.
But it goes beyond just understanding your audience's struggles. It's about tailoring your content to address those needs directly.
Okay.
He actually narrows down his approach to 3 specific content styles, and they're actually really interesting.
Lay it on me.
Okay, so
Buddy.
the first style is all about addressing those daily struggles that we were just talking about.
Okay.
But the second one, this is where things get interesting.
Okay.
He recommends identifying commonly accepted practices within your niche and then arguing against them.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay, that's bold.
it is.
That's going to start some conversation.
Exactly, and that's the point.
Okay.
It's about challenging those assumptions and standing out from the crowd a little bit.
Right. And not just to be provocative.
Exactly.
Right. Like it has to be authentic to...
It has to be authentic to you and your brand.
Okay.
The example that he uses in the video is advocating for community-led growth instead of relying on cold emailing.
Okay.
And, it might ruffle some feathers, but it aligns perfectly with his own approach and what he's selling.